So this is how we can allow the local network access on iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe because I have so many tutorials ready for you, and I just believe that they're gonna be useful to you, right? So what you have to do is to open up the Settings app, and from the left panel, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Part of this section, you'll be able to scroll down again and locate the local network, right? So you click on it there and it will give you all of the apps which have recently asked for access in the local network, right? So you can see all of those apps are available right here. And you can additionally change or add or revoke the permission to do that. So for an app to appear right here, you have to start using it, and then once you go to a situation where it asks you for it, within that app, you will either allow or not allow. But once you do this, it will be part of this network for you to change it later, right? So you'll be able to just come back to this section and change the permission anytime you want. Usually, as you can see right here, we have the streaming services, apps like Netflix and Spotify, and those apps need or asked for the local network permission to be able to stream their content to some other devices like Apple TV or even HomePod or whatever, right? Then we also have some utility tools. In my case, I have the remote mouse, which wants to connect to my computer through the local network, or even the Blackmagic camera app, which can connect with my phone and start recording at the same time, right? So in that case, it just works well, right? Because those apps can access my local network. If I ever want to change it again, I can turn it off right here and be good to go. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work and change the settings according to your preference. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.